Hello, welcome back to Absolute GH. Today we are going to make shampoo. First, let's go over the ingredients. I have salt, apple, perfume, sulfonic acid, foam booster, and then color. We are going to make 6 liters of the total shampoo. So first you add your apple to the bowl. The apple we are going to use half a kilo. So after adding your tablespoon to the bucket, you then add your salt. We are going to use 500 grams of salt. I'm teaching the basics of shampoo. There are other ingredients that can be added to improve it. This is what you see at the Ghanaian market that you buy 2 cedis, 3 cedis, 1 cedi. So there are other additions that can be added, but this is just the basics, and it works perfectly because we've been using this time for years and nothing happened to our hair. So in my subsequent videos I will add other ingredients, other improved ingredients to it. Continue to mix it well before you start adding water. So you start adding water gradually. Mind you, like I always say, make sure you have your measured water already, that the quantity you want to use for the total mixture is already measured, so that you will know whether you are using less or you are using more of water. So you keep adding water until it reaches to the quantity you want. Then you add your sulfonic acid. We are going to use 1.3 ounce or 25 grams for the sulfonic acid. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so that you always be notified when I upload a new video. So we add our foam booster to the mixture. For the foam booster too, we are going to use 1.3 ounce or 25 grams. Mix it very well to make sure it's well mixed. I want to say thank you to all those who have been subscribing to my channel and to those who watch my videos. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers before I add the hair conditioner. Please show me some love by subscribing to my channel. You then add your color, the quantity of color and the type of color, and also the quantity of perfume and the type of perfume you use depends on you. So after adding the color, you can either leave it to settle before you add your perfume, or you can add your perfume straight away. So here I'm adding my perfume, and then I left it to settle for, I always leave it till the next day. So after the next day I then bottled it up. So thank you all for watching my videos. See you next time.